Planning to buy some stuff for Janu, Papa, and Mommy. And then let's see. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin natin. Magtitingin-tingin din tayo ng mga baby clothes. Even though we don't know the gender yet, we just want very hot. Ang init-init kasi. So napagpasyahan namin na we'll carry the way.
Now we will go to Sports Center to buy shoes for Janu.
To whom? Janu,
Papa.
and Papa. Let's go. Here at department store. So mamimili tayo ng mga ng sapatos para sa kanya. Black or white? Hmm? Black or white?
White. Make bathtub in our house and then I will...
Excited? We are just gonna choose some clothes or look some clothes
we
that
will
are...
just look windows of...
No, we will do gender. Here they're assisting us. Thank you po. Thank you for assisting us. So, bihis kami ngayon. And here's Doc. Hello, Kuya Milan.
Hello. I look like I'm driving truck. It's very big car.
Yes. So, today, we did some work. And then, we decided to go directly to the mall. So, we can eat. And then, we can do a little bit of buying stuff. Or pasalubong. Para sa mga Indian family namin. Right, Milan?
Yes.
Janu is asking to buy what?
Since I bought the shoes, Janu wants shoes also.
And Papa, no?
Yes.
So we are planning to buy some stuff for Janu, Papa, and Mommy. And then let's see. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin natin. Magtitingin-tingin din tayo ng mga baby clothes. Even though we don't know the gender yet, we just wanted to check the baby clothes.
What baby clothes?
Baby clothes.
Buy clothes for you only.
For me only, no? But I
I
am soak of baby clothes. Like, I wanted to buy some baby clothes. Pero we'll see. But I need to buy also some pregnancy clothes. Kasi yung mga binili kong clothes dati, they're already, Milan? Small.
Ano small?
My baby clothes, my pregnancy clothes, very small na. So, we are thinking
I don't like
of
this
buying.
car. It's very big. You should be little bit close to me.
Because we're using the van, guys. So, we'll see you there, guys. We'll update you what will be our plan for the rest of the day. Inshallah. We'll see you. Ayan, guys. Nakarating na kami sa mall. Finally. It's very hot. Ang init-init kasi. So, napagpasyahan namin na bumili na.
Mainit, guys. Sobrang mainit ng Philippines.
So, ang gagawin natin yan is mamimili na tayo ng mga, what we will be buying? Shoes first, right?
No. I think we should finish your protector.
Okay. Let's go and buy screen protector, guys. Papalit lang tayo ng screen protector, guys. Finally. Show your cellphone. How many years?
No, how many years?
How many years of not changing? It's been 2 years.
2 years.
2 years of not changing. Ayan, guys. Nakapamili na kami. What did you buy?
Forget to vlogs, guys.
We forgot to choose. Because we've been...
So here, I bought some shorts from H&M.
We've been carried away.
Now we will go to Sports Center to buy shoes for Janu and Papa.
We'll show them what you bought earlier. Ayan, loko na tayo ngayon sa Sports Central.
Yes.
To whom? Janu,
Papa.
and Papa. Let's go. Already bought the shoes of Janu. Now we're gonna buy shoes for Papa naman. So we're currently here at department store. So mamimili tayo ng mga ng sapatos para sa kanya, and check natin yung size kasi yung sa problema dun sa isa, they don't have the sizes. So nandito tayo ngayon sa department store. Nakabili na kami. Now we're here to check the shoes they have. Which one you like to buy? Black or white? Black or white?
White.
White for Papa because Papa already have the black color. So white naman yung bibili natin sa kanya.
Size is the problem. UK 8.
UK 8. Same like yours, no?
It has some.
Milan, you did shopping a lot, huh?
No.
Now we're gonna look for kids wear. Maghanap tayo ng damit ng bata.
Something like this.
You will bait your kid like that?
Yeah. We will make bathtub in our house and then I will.
Excited? Excited ka masyado. We need clothes for infants. Hello po. Infants.
There is no infant.
I think there is, no? Meron. So, ayun, naghahanap kami ng damit for the baby. Let's see. We have to check po if it's a girl or a boy. Hello po. Infants po for the baby. Over there. Over there, Milan.
Blue ceilings.
Tara, hanap tayo. Doc. I thought you were missing. So, as of the moment, guys, wala pa kaming idea if it's a girl or a boy. No, Milan? Come here. As of the moment, we don't have the idea yet if it's a girl or a boy. So,
maybe
we are just gonna choose some clothes or look some clothes
we
that
will
are
just look window shopping only, guys.
that are okay for boys or okay for girls.
So if
tingnan
we
natin.
like something, we can already buy from Philippines. That's like,
Very,
look
very
like
cute,
this
Kabra.
socks, huh?
I'll show
Look
them.
at the view.
I just hope it's a girl.
Look at the socks.
Very
Small,
cute.
small socks.
Oh, they have the they have
Cap.
the pack, full pack.
No?
No, we will do gender reveal and then we will buy all of the stuff. That one is good, no?
Even towel.
Ayan guys, ang daming magagandang baby clothes. Ay, nako. If we only can buy. Look at this!
I really want to buy so many stuff already.
Pink! So, ayun, nagtitingin-tingin lang kami ng mga appliances and baby stuff. And right over here, they're assisting us. Thank you po. Thank you for assisting us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ayan. Let's go. What's next? There's mattress also. Mattress, jowa siya, Prabi. Ayan.
King size.
Hi guys, so nakauwi na kami from the mall. And right now, I am watching and reading all the comments. And
I am reading comment also, guys.
I wanted to introduce you. We will tell you something. I wanted to introduce you to my first child, my baby.
This is what she was talking about when she said in YouTube video.
Come here.
That she have child already in Philippines. This is what child look like.
This is my child when I was 9 years old. I got pregnant 9 years old, guys. And how old are you?
16.
I don't know. I don't know why everyone is saying. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung bakit sinasabi nila na baby daw kita. Ikaw daw yung unang anak ko. Sino ang ama? I think I married I married Chinese. You want me to be your mother? Gusto mo mami mo ako?
But I don't want that father.
I am 9 years old. Grabe naman.
No, but okay, I will not treat you like my child anymore.
Kat, ikaw nga magsabi sa kanila. Anak daw kita?
Hindi po.
Ano
kapatid
kita?
ko po siya.
Si Jinjin daw, anak ko?
Hindi, pamangkin.
Bakit nila sinasabing ganon?
Tubalo.
Tubalo.
Because
Tagalog na lang. Lookalike ba? Lookalike ba kami?
No.
I think I married Korean or Chinese. That's why, akala nila anak ko siya. Guys, we just want to clarify po. Do I have a baby? This is my, this is my baby, ayan.
First child.
First child pa lang.
This is the mother of here.
I'm 9 years old. If Kathleen is my baby, I got pregnant 9 years old. I'm not having menstruation that time. No, Kathleen is my hindi ko po alam kung saan siguro.
And it's not a joking way. People are thinking it's serious.
Serious. People are commenting.
It's a joke, then
like I said something in YouTube. But probably, they got misleaded. Like, it's a misleading title.
Philippines.
Oh, and then
but
they
it's-
did not watch the whole video because they keep on saying that I have baby already. But no, I don't have a baby po, ha? Just keep that in mind. This is
First
my
time buntis
baby.
po?
First time buntis. Grabe naman kayo. Kat, gusto mo ba ikaw yung maging first baby ko na lang? Hindi kasi guys, totoo niyan. They're saying that this is my baby because nung lumalaki siya, ako talaga yung nag-alaga sa kanya, no? Because my mother is in market, 'di ba? Selling rice and groceries. So, ako talaga yung nag-aalaga sa kanilang dalawang kapatid ko. So, madalas din kami pinagkakamalan nung nasa mall since dala-dalaga na ako noon. And bata siya. We're going to the...
Nanay mo?
Oo, we're going to the mall all the time. Bit ko siya. And then, we are, ang tawag doon? We are shopping or nagpupunta kami sa Sky Ranch, ganyan. May Sky Ranch na ba nun? Wala bang Sky Ranch
Meron
nun?
na.
Oo, nagpunta kami sa Sky Ranch. I will show them photos, no?
Yeah,
Tapos,
so
sinasabi
Catherine's
nila
picture
na,
when she was
anak
young.
mo yan, anak mo na yan. Because I'm matured looking as compared to my age. So, ayun, hindi ko pa po anak to. First baby pa lang po yung paparating this coming, this year.
Magkamukha lang po kami kasi
Mm-mm.
she's my big sister.
Pakita ko po yung mga pictures later. Papakita ko yung mga pictures na lagi kaming pinagkakamalan kasi lagi kaming nagde-date. Lagi ko nga siyang nililibot nun, lalo na kapag meron akong pera. Talagang nanonood ng sine, natatandaan mo, nanonood tayo sine, tapos nagmo-mall tayo, tapos kumakain kami sa labas. So, ayun, kasi ako, na parang ate. Siyempre, if you're ate, you will give everything to your brothers and sisters. So, ayun. Pero, wala po akong anak. Ito pa lang po. It's coming pa lang. Baby of Doc Milan. No baby of Chinese. Jinjin also. Dating Jinjin. Jinjin naman po. Si Jinjin, anak siya ni Tita Grace. So, pamangkin ko siya. And, malapit din ako sa batang yon kasi mommy niya is nurse. And, kapag naiiwanan nga siya, kapag nag-duty si mommy, ako yung pinapapunta dito yung baby, inaalagaan namin, nilalaro namin. So, sobrang lapit ko din sa batang yun. So, kung akala nila kasi very affectionate ako sa kanya, akala din nila, anak ko si Jinjin, pero hindi po. Tsaka magkamukha kami kasi singkit nga. Medyo malaki yung mukha namin. So, ayun, akala nila, baby ko din si Jinjin. So, hindi po. Pamangkin ko lang din si Jinjin. And, itong kapatid ko, bunso namin. So, I hope naliwanagan po kayo sa question, guys. And wag po kayo nagpapakala ng fake news.
Kung nasa isip niyo po, nanay ko po siya, sige po, okay.
Okay lang din. But Doc Milan, we will
I don't
adapt.
want Kathleen as child.
I want also you as father.
Ayun,
Pusa.
nag-iinisan na
Guys.
sila. Ayun lang. Ayun, nag-iinisan na naman, oh.
But
Sige.
Kathleen is pusa.
You call me po because my name is Kat.
Oh.
Kat.
It's not C, it's K.
Oh, sige na.
Kat.
Ay!
Kat.
Ay! Ang ingay niyo.
Pusa,
Oh, sige na, guys. Mamaya.